Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up SMS automations in GoHighLevel. We'll begin right inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find the automations area, which is home to your workflows and the tools you'll use to send text messages automatically. Think of this as your central hub for automating communication. Everything from welcome messages to follow-ups can be handled here, saving you time and ensuring no leads fall through the cracks. Go ahead and click Automations to open the workflow screen so we can build everything in one place. From here, choose Build Using AI. This opens GoHighLevel's AI Builder, which can draft a complete workflow for you. It's a huge time saver because it turns your idea into the basic structure of an SMS automation without you having to start from a blank page. Using the AI Builder also helps ensure your workflow follows best practices, like proper timing between messages and logical sequence of follow-ups. Next, type your prompt. Make it clear and specific so the AI understands exactly what you're trying to achieve. A good prompt mentions your goal, who the message is for, when it should send, and the tone you want. For example, you could say something like, create an SMS workflow that texts new leads right after they submit a website form, follows up one day later if they haven't replied, and uses a friendly, helpful tone. You can also mention any key details, like including the contact's first name or a short link. The more precise you are, the better the first draft will be. Being specific here saves you editing time later and helps the AI create messaging that feels personalized and professional. When your prompt is ready, hit Enter or click Send. The AI will generate a workflow that typically includes triggers, SMS steps, and suggested timing. Give it a moment to build, then review what it creates on the screen. Think of this as your starting point that you can fine-tune. Even if the AI draft is nearly perfect, reviewing it ensures the messaging aligns with your brand voice, timing preferences, and compliance rules. As the builder runs, you may see a few questions appear on the left side. These are there to clarify the details of your use case. Answer them directly and concisely. Things like your industry, audience, or preferred message style can help the AI tailor the content. If it asks for specifics, provide brief, concrete answers. This step helps improve message relevance, keeps your SMS concise, and supports compliance by staying clear about who should receive what and when. For instance, specifying the audience helps prevent sending follow-ups to contacts who already converted, keeping your messaging efficient and professional. Once your draft is ready, you can add a new trigger so the workflow starts exactly when you want. Pick the event that best matches your process, such as a form submission, a tag being added, or a stage change, so the SMS sends at the right moment. After you've set the trigger and reviewed the text steps on the canvas, click Save. Giving the workflow a clear name as you save can also help you and your team recognize it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple automations at once. Clear naming conventions make it easier to organize, track, and optimize workflows over time. And that's it. You've set up SMS automations in GoHighLevel using the AI Builder, from opening automations to crafting a focused prompt, answering clarifying questions, adding your trigger, and saving your work. With this setup, you can confidently engage leads automatically, maintain consistent communication, and free up your time for higher value tasks like strategy and follow-ups.